YouTube, what's going on? I'm back with another video. It's your boy Gifted in the building. So you see, I turned nothing to something, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm just combing out the hair, going against the grain with a 1 guard open. Right now I'm sanding my mid fade guideline. So you see one side is already done. I'll be showing you guys that later on. My main goal in this video today is to show you how to get a 15-minute fade done. I'm gonna set a open, no guard guideline in, no guard open. Then we're gonna set that guideline in about ½ an inch. We want to make sure everything is all even, ½ an inch all the way around. Right now I'm going all the way closed. I'm going to try to knock that bottom line out. Right now I'm using that corner and I realized it wasn't doing the job, so I'm actually digging from underneath that bottom line and flicking out at the line. Right now I'm going halfway. Same thing, I'm starting from underneath the guideline and flicking at the bottom line. It's all about consistency. If you do this method once and you realize it worked for you, continue to try that method. Just flick out as you see in that motion right there. Just flick out. I got the guideline almost gone and the clippers all the way closed. As you see before, I started with the corner and I worked my way half. Now I'm back all the way down, blending out that guideline. Just to make sure I didn't gap anything, I'm gonna go with the guideline open. Make sure everything is all even again. So far so good. Give you guys a little better lighting right there. Again, this is my first video, so bear with me guys. Right now I'm going with the 1 guard open. And what I'm showing you guys right here is basically, I want you guys to start going off the head. Instead of digging into the head at first, no, the goal is to make your guideline as soft as possible. So you're not really worried about digging too much. You want more flick out with this 1 guard. Just like that. Right here, as you see, we still have a line. So I'm basically just softening it up using that corner, maybe 1 or 2 teeth. As I realized it's softening it up. But again, the goal is to get a 15-minute haircut done, correct? So that's what the goal is. Don't forget, use that corner. Let's get the job done. I'm going in. I'm gonna go halfway. A little above that line. I'm just making sure I'm taking out all the extra bulk on top. Real quick, y'all see that line I pointed out? Don't be scared to attack that. On my channel, I'm gonna show you guys how to get that line out. It's so simple. So right now I have the half guard on, medium, and I'm gonna only use my corners. Do consistent strokes. I call these strokes one-hitter quitters. I'm not digging in too much. I'm looking at one piece of hair and I'm going straight at it. It's looking good already. You see that, guys? All right, right there, as you see that piece I'm pointing out. Since it's a little darker, I'm gonna raise the lever and soften it up. I never wanna get a piece out without softening it up. So as you see, I'm detailing now any little pieces of hair I see. So you guys, I'm just showing you simple ways to work your magic. If you're not comfortable going with the no guard and using that corner of your blade, which I will be showing you in a little bit, but this is another way how to soften up that line. You see it, that blend is looking fire. But I still see a little bulk right there, so we're gonna go in half guard all the way open. So you see it's almost removing that line. I still see a little dark area, so I want to attack it just a little more without going too high, so I'm using my corners. I still see stubbles. Clipper, using that corner open, I'm gonna start trying to soften that area. That's how I fade, man. If you guys aren't comfortable and you want to try this method, the best way to take a line out is to soften that area first. I promise you. So right now I'm going with the clipper all the way closed, and now I'm just detailing. Right here I'm using the claw method. This basically removes all the stand-up hair, all the hair that's sticking up, all the hair that's being stubborn, you know what I mean. This is the method I was talking about, guys. So if you really pay attention, I'm only using that corner. So I want to break any guideline that I see, whether it's the half or the one or the open. I'm gonna use that corner to just get in there, soften it up. If it's too high, I'm gonna break it. That means I'm only using, there you go, that's what I'm talking about. Only using that one tooth of the comb. I'm sorry, of the blade. It's been a long night, man. I hope you guys enjoying this video, man. It's my first real tutorial in about a year. I hope you guys rocking out with me, man. This fade is looking pretty good. So this side I've sped it up for you guys, and if you already knew what the steps were on the other side, we're just gonna continue this side with the same steps. If you don't know what it is, go back and catch that left side. Alright, so right here, guys, I'm just knocking down the hair. I want the hair line to be flat. middle and work my way to the highest side. These are some hitters, guys. Alright, so this step right here is very important. As you see, his hair is really light due to the fade in that area, but when you apply hairspray, you almost get the illusion of a hairline. So right here, I jumped straight into enhancements. I'm laying down some freeze glue hairspray. I'm just gonna clean up that line.
My beats ain't never sleep.
Ooh, that's cutting my little brother hair for about, say, 6-7 years, man. I thought I should put enhancements on this cut just for YouTube purposes. This is the cut, guys. As you see, this is how you execute a nice 15-minute fade, getting the job done. And this right here is basically how I finish off all of my cuts. As you see, this is what we was working on before. Little brother was looking like a caveman. Now he can get a hug from maybe one of his little girlfriends. Stay gifted. I'm out of it.